Hey everyone. Welcome back to Excel Whiz and Tech Tips. Today, we are going to dive into a fundamental skill in English, introducing yourself. Whether you're meeting someone new, networking for a job, or just trying to make new friends, knowing how to introduce yourself confidently can make a big difference. So, let's get started. Start with a greeting. First things first, start with a friendly greeting. In English, common greetings include hi, hello, or even hey for a more casual tone. Here's a quick example. Hi, I'm Adam. State your name next. You'll want to state your name clearly. You can say, I'm Adam. Or, if you prefer something a bit more formal, hello, my name is Adam. Share a bit about yourself now. Let's add a bit more detail. You can share where you're from, what you do, or any interests you'd like to mention. For example, I'm from California, and I work as an English professor. Or, I'm Adam, and I'm currently studying literature at Oxford University. Ask a question to keep the conversation flowing. Try asking a question in return. It shows that you're interested in the other person. Here are some examples. What about you? Where are you from? Or, do you have any hobbies or interests? Wrap it up. Finally, wrap up your introduction with a positive note. You could say, it's nice to meet you. Or, I'm looking forward to getting to know you better. Sample introduction. Host, let's put it all together in a sample introduction. Hi, I'm Adam. I'm from California, and I'm an English professor. What about you? Where are you from? Practice makes perfect. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to use these tips and make your own introduction style. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Subscribe for more tips. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more English learning tips. And let me know in the comments, how do you introduce yourself? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.